country. Yeah, if I was shot today or if I was struck today, the Kenya will not be the same again. The state has a responsibility to make sure that I'm safe for the political stability of this country. But they have not done so. But doesn't matter. I'm not interested. I have made arrangements that I have private guards who guard me all the time. You know, and I know that is what they have been targeting, so that they can be able to get them from me. But doesn't matter. Let them do whatever they want to do. But they must know that all these things will come to an end one day. Yeah, and it is treating Kenyans like they are not intelligent to say that I'm the one who organizes my own attacks. What would I gain from that? You know?
Sympathy.
What sympathy? I don't need sympathy from anybody. Why would I want sympathy from anybody?
When these people attack your congregations, your meetings, how does that make you feel?
I feel terrible because this is a country of the rule of law. This is not a country of the rule of jungle. You know, it is so sad that a president can use goons to settle political scores. And he must accept that I have moved on. I will not support him, and I no longer support him with my supporters. And there's nothing he can do. He cannot force us to support him by force. He just has to go and look for support elsewhere. Yeah? But, you know, they had wanted me to stay in the house. They thought after they removed him from office, I would stay here and be crying here. So they don't want me to go out there where the people are. That is why the attacks were there. Because they thought I'm a coward, that they would attack me once, twice, and then I chicken out, I come back and fear. I am willing to die in those meetings. If that will save this country, if my blood is what will grow the tree of liberation so that this country is free from the dictatorship of William Ruto, so be it. But let me say, for the avoidance of doubt, I'll continue doing my meetings. Let them come and harass us. But my people have said it will not happen anymore. And you see what happened yesterday. You know people are getting very angry.
Yeah.
People are getting very angry. We are going to have a very big launch with over 40,000 people. If they set gangs there, they'll find those people there. Because they are also human beings. And nobody is a coward. You know, if that's what the president wants Kenyans to fight each other, let it be. But I can say, I want to confirm that I'm not going to stay in the house. I am not going to stop going to meetings for fear of attack by goons. What I know is that I have many supporters who are willing and ready to defend my meetings to a man. And that will happen. And we are not going to chicken out, and we are not going to be sold fear. You know?
Okay.
My brother, I'm a descendant of the Maumau fighters.
I was waiting for that line.
Yeah. So, William Ruto must know that sending a few goons here cannot make me run away from meetings or stop going to the public. I'll go to the public.
Okay.
If he wants to kill me there, let him kill me there. Okay. And there's no problem. Whatever he wants to do, he can do. But I also want to say that my people, my supporters have also said, no, it will not happen again. So those goons who are being sent, they must know. And they will find people waiting for them. We have a launch on 4th. Let them come. They'll find people waiting for them. If that's what the president has decided, that this is not a country of the rule of law, that policemen will stand away and let people fight each other. If he has decided that everybody should organize his own security, if the president wants to use goons, there is nobody who has a monopoly of using goons.
Yeah.
But I can assure you that my supporters, and there are millions, they have made a decision. Like you saw yesterday, nobody would be allowed to attack my meeting or myself. And on 4th, we have a big meeting. If they want to organize 1,000 goons, let them go ahead.
Pull up. We're ready.
They'll come. People will be ready for them.
When that thing was happening yesterday, where were you?
I was just there.
Haukushtuka?
Nani?
Nini.
Yeah, Nini. My friend, what is that? That's a joke. Sisi ni tuko pale, sisi ni chuma ya zamani.
Tiaga tulitoka teke.
Sisi